All right. Hey, don't break the bank grabbing your groceries this week. Our Smart Shopper team digging through the supermarket deals. Angie Cayley shows us some of the best bargains around.
Want to know where the beef is? Go to Safeway. They have bone-in chuck roasts or family pack steaks for $1.97 a pound. Plus, there are great coupons there this week. $5 off when you spend $50, or clip this one to get certain Kellogg's cereals for $1.50. Looking for a sweeter breakfast? You can pick up these cinnamon rolls for just $1 a pack at Albertsons. Head over to the meat case to grab dinner. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts are just $1.77 a pound this week. Fry's has a deal on chicken too. Buy 1 pack of their boneless chicken breasts, get 2 free. This week you can pick up avocados and bell peppers for just 88 cents there. Food City has the best deal on red bell peppers, 3 for 99 cents. Plus, this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, watermelons are just 13 cents a pound. If you like your produce organic, Bashas' has some great deals. Organic strawberries are $2.99 for a 16-ounce package. Organic Fuji or Gala apples are 99 cents a pound. The deals don't stop there. Head to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper for all the ads.